for over a year, and he's fantastic with Google Ads. He jumps into our clients' accounts, makes sure things are okay, optimizes them, lets us know what's going on. It's really, really been fantastic working with him. I recommend him to anyone.
Fazle is wonderful. The word I keep coming back to is he's brilliant, and I wouldn't use that lightly. I think he's brilliant because he's not only extremely bright and knowledgeable in his craft in pay-per-click campaigns, also his communication, his personability. I mean, he's just a wonderful, wonderful person to work with. It's kind of just the dream team member to have. And we have over 200 clients. I think of those, probably about 50 PPC accounts, which he's just come in and done wonders for us. Just to give you the idea of the scale of our company here.
Fazle has been managing some of our Google Ads accounts, and since the start of working with him, his communication has been excellent, and he really helps me understand the process of optimization that he is using to bring our cost per conversion down and manage our Google Ads accounts.
He's done a ton of projects for me and my clients. He's done a phenomenal job at every turn. He's like a super diligent and on-the-ball person.
So highly recommend him for any PPC services. Wonderful guy, absolutely brilliant. Thank you again, Fazle.
We recommend him, and you'll have a great experience, and your Google Ads will do even better after using his services.
If you're on the fence about working with him, get off the fence because he's the best guy.